Hi, everybody. It's Laura Frederick from How to Contract, and I'm very excited to be talking with Tiffany Bui LeTourneau from Common Paper. Hi, Tiffany.
Hi, Laura. Thanks for having me.
I'm so glad to talk to you. You attended the ContractsCon local event we had in San Francisco in July. Can you tell us what was different about it from other kinds of CLEs and events like that?
The biggest standout to me was how interactive it was. I'm so used to CLE events just being go to a big firm's conference room and have some snacks and coffee and just listen for 6 hours of the day and then get the happy hour at the end of the event. And all of that was there. There was great snacks and coffee, but it was very interactive. And all of the pauses we had in the sessions to discuss what we had just talked about, to go through and share experience and different ways to handle particular situations.
And I've been doing this stuff with different events. Last conference in Miami for ContractsCon, I was so focused on putting a lot of training into every day. I was packing it together, 10-minute break between, don't leave the room, come back, we got stuff to learn. I learned my lesson and I learned that community part of the event. I'm creating a lot more spaces this year where there's time for people to hang out and talk and just get to know each other as people as well as contract professionals. I love to hear that feedback that you notice that. What about ContractsCon Las Vegas? What are you looking forward to about that event?
I'm really looking forward to it being a similar type of environment, but on a bigger scale. I think the number of attendees and the longer form format will lend itself really well to really being able to learn. I've been an attorney for over a decade and I've been in the trenches at hypergrowth startups and done big law, I've done all of that. I always learn something at ContractsCon events. I think that's because of the people who attend and because it is such an open dialogue amongst conference attendees, being able to have that many more people in the room. It's like the best brain trust of legal thinkers that you could have all together in one
Yeah.
place.
The other thing that's different about ContractsCon is we attract kind of the contract nerds of the world. We attract people who are really into contracts and like talking about them and thinking about them and strategizing. A lot of generic CLEs, people who maybe they're generalists and they don't really care particularly about contracts versus anything else, but they need the training.
Mhm.
Here, we tend to get the people who get really excited. So there's so much energy, positive energy, and also just so much acceptance. Everybody is in a different place in their contract learning journey. And it's such a supportive environment. That's one of my favorite things about ContractsCon. I can't wait to see you there and see everybody else there. And thank you so much to Common Paper and to you for all you're doing to help the attendees by creating this playbook.
Thank you so much for working with us. And I'm really looking forward to Contracts Con and looking for my costume right now. So
Perfect.
we'll see how that
Perfect.
turns out.
Yeah, I have to find mine too. I have to find mine. I think I'm going to do like a share thing and have multiple costumes. I think that's
Yes,
how I'm going to have to do it. I'm excited.
that'd be
Okay,
great.
cool. Great talking to you and see you at ContractsCon.
Yes, see you there.